So actually, many of our friends involved in creating content for social media or engaging in various voice acting, narration, and other voice performances actually often faced a common issue, sounding like they are reading rather than speaking. For instance, this one. Hello everyone. Thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. This is going to be a very exciting lesson. We'll be connecting to our cooking laboratory and conducting an online demonstration. Please welcome Chef Tom. So this one is kind of like a rigid reading, so let's move on to the second one. Hello everyone. Thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. This is going to be a very exciting lesson. We'll be connecting to our cooking laboratory and conducting an online demonstration. Please welcome Chef Tom. So I would say this one is a little bit like overacting. So how can we transform a script into something that sounds more like natural speech? So actually, there's a very simple way. I often tell my students to simply ask yourself, would I talk to my friends normally this way? And if your answer is yes, then yeah, you're likely closer to finding a natural speaking tone. So if your answer is no, then, well, just carry on, considering how you normally speak to friends. Now, let's try to speak the script in the way we would normally talk to a friend. Hello, everyone. Thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. So this is going to be a very exciting lesson. We will be connecting to our cooking laboratory and conducting an online demonstration. Please welcome Chef Tom. Chef Tom will be showcasing several of our company's latest ovens and their different features in cooking at the first kitchen of our Culinary Service Center. We believe that everyone will gain a lot of knowledge today. So how does that feel? So it's more like a normal conversation, right? So when you try it, if your take is still not quite there yet, no problem. Keep reflecting on how you talk to friends and try again. You could even start with something like, hey, Tony, I have something to tell you. Thank you for attending today's oven cooking class. This is going to be a very exciting lesson. Right? So with continuous practice and adjustments, I believe our delivery will increasingly resemble natural speech. For more tips on voice acting skills, subscribe to my channel, like and share, and let us know your thoughts on your practice experience. Leave your comments below. My ebook, The Standout Voice Performance, Step-by-Step Mastering Voice Artistry in the AI Era, is now available for purchase. It's a comprehensive guide designed to elevate your voice acting performance and help you stand out in an ever-competitive world. You can find out more details through the link below the video.